Welcome to Senior Care, where we're dedicated to helping you live your healthiest, happiest life as you age. Have you ever considered that your bedtime routine, those small, familiar habits you followed for years, could be silently putting your health at risk? It's a startling thought, but the truth is, many common nighttime habits can lead to serious dangers, especially for those of us over 60. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, over 70,000 older adults in the U.S. pass away in their sleep each year. What's even more shocking is that many of these tragedies aren't just a natural part of aging, they're tied to simple, preventable mistakes we make before bed. As we age, our bodies change in ways that make us more vulnerable. Our hearts grow more fragile, our lungs become more sensitive, and our sleep becomes lighter. What felt safe and harmless in our younger years can now quietly increase the risk of falls, heart problems, or even cognitive decline. Today, we're diving into 7 nighttime habits that could be harming your health without you even realizing it. We'll uncover the silent threats hiding in your nightly routine, reveal the one mistake that leads to more nighttime emergencies than any other, and share simple, practical steps you can take tonight to sleep safer and feel stronger. Pay close attention to habit number 2. It's surprisingly dangerous but easy to fix. If you're new to Senior Care, we're so glad you're here. Let's grow healthier together. Please like this video, hit that subscribe button, and drop your country in the comments so we can see where our wonderful community is tuning in from. Now let's get started. Habit number 7. Drinking too much water before bed. Staying hydrated is so important as we age. It keeps our organs working, helps our digestion, and keeps our joints moving smoothly. But sipping a big glass of water, juice, or even herbal tea right before bed can cause more harm than good. As we get older, our kidneys don't process fluids as quickly and our bladders can't hold as much. Those signals telling us we need to use the bathroom come on faster and more often. If you're drinking a lot in the hour or two before bed, you're likely setting yourself up for multiple bathroom trips during the night. Waking up once or twice might not seem like a big deal, but for older adults, those nighttime walks to the bathroom increase the risk of dangerous falls. Imagine this: you're sleepy, the room is dark, your balance isn't as steady as it used to be, and standing up quickly can make you dizzy. That short trip could lead to a fall, and falls are the leading cause of hospital visits for seniors, according to the CDC. Beyond falls, frequent bathroom trips disrupt your sleep cycle, especially the deep sleep that helps your brain and body recharge. Over time, this can lead to memory problems, higher inflammation, and even a greater risk of conditions like dementia or Alzheimer's. Drinking too much before bed can also strain your heart, especially if you already have heart issues, as it forces your heart to work harder to manage extra fluid. So, how can you stay hydrated safely? Focus on drinking water throughout the day, especially in the morning and afternoon. Try to cut back on fluids at least 2 hours before bed. If you're thirsty at night, take small sips instead of a full glass. Skip drinks like coffee, black tea, or citrus juices in the evening, as they can make you need the bathroom more. To stay safe, keep your path to the bathroom clear, use a nightlight, and move slowly when you get up. These small changes can keep you hydrated without risking your sleep or safety. Habit number 6. Eating late at night. After a long day, a late-night snack might feel comforting, a bowl of ice cream or a few cookies before bed. But as we age, eating close to bedtime can cause more problems than you might think. Our metabolism slows down and our digestion isn't as efficient as it used to be. When you eat heavy or rich foods late in the evening, your body doesn't get the rest it needs. Instead, it's busy digesting, which can disrupt your sleep and put extra strain on your heart, liver, and stomach. One of the biggest issues is acid reflux, where stomach acid flows back into your throat, causing a burning feeling. This is more than just uncomfortable. It can damage your esophagus and, in rare cases, lead to serious issues like aspiration pneumonia if food particles get into your lungs while you sleep. A study in the American Journal of Gastroenterology found that eating within 3 hours of bedtime makes reflux much more likely. Late-night snacks, especially sugary or starchy ones, can also spike your blood sugar, which is harder to manage as we age. This can worsen or even cause type 2 diabetes. Eating late can also keep your blood pressure high when it should be dropping during sleep, raising the risk of heart attack or stroke. To eat smarter, try to finish your last meal at least 3 hours before bed. Choose light, healthy dinners with vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, and avoid greasy or sugary foods. If you're hungry later, reach for something gentle like a banana, a goat, or a handful of unsalted nuts. These choices are easier on your stomach and won't mess with your blood sugar. By tweaking your eating habits, you'll sleep better and lower your risk of heartburn, high blood sugar, and heart problems, helping you wake up feeling refreshed. Habit number 5: sleeping in the wrong position. We all have a favorite way to sleep. Maybe you love lying on your back or curling up on your side. But did you know that how you sleep can affect your health as you age? Sleeping flat on your back, for example, might feel relaxing, but it can cause problems. When you lie on your back, gravity pulls your tongue and throat tissues down, narrowing your airway. This can make snoring worse or increase the risk of sleep apnea, where you stop breathing for short moments during sleep. Even if you don't have sleep apnea, this position can reduce airflow, which puts stress on your heart and brain. The Mayo Clinic says back sleeping can worsen breathing issues by up to 40% compared to side sleeping. Over time, this can raise your blood pressure, increase the risk of heart attack or stroke, and even harm your brain. Sleeping on your back can also worsen acid reflux, letting stomach acid flow into your throat, which can damage it or, in rare cases, lead to serious health issues. Research also shows that back sleeping reduces your brain's ability to clear out toxins by over 60%, which could speed up memory problems or dementia. Sleeping on your right side isn't much better. It can press on blood vessels near your heart, raising the risk of heart problems. So what's the best position? Experts say sleeping on your left side is the safest. It helps your heart pump better, eases digestion, reduces reflux, and helps your brain clear waste, protecting your memory. To make the switch, try placing a pillow between your knees to keep your hips aligned and another behind your back to stop you from rolling over. A good neck pillow can also keep your spine comfortable. If reflux is a problem, raise the head of your bed slightly. These small changes can make a big difference in your breathing, heart health, and brain function, helping you sleep better and stay healthier. Habit number 4: sleeping in a room that's too warm. We all love feeling cozy at night, maybe with a thick blanket or the heater turned up. But a warm bedroom can quietly harm your health. Your body needs to cool down to fall into deep, restful sleep. If your room is too hot, above 24 degrees Celsius or about 75 degrees Fahrenheit, it's harder for your body to relax, leading to restless sleep and waking up tired. As we age, our ability to regulate temperature weakens, making us more sensitive to heat. A study in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry found that seniors in warm rooms get up to 30% less deep sleep, which is critical for memory, immune health, and repairing your body. Poor sleep from a hot room can also increase inflammation, blood pressure, and the risk of heart disease or diabetes. Heat can cause dehydration too, as seniors often don't feel thirsty and lose fluids through sweating at night. This can thicken your blood, raising the risk of clots or stroke. For those with heart or lung issues, a warm room can make it harder to breathe or strain your heart. To sleep better, keep your bedroom between 15 and 19 degrees Celsius or about 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Use light, breathable bedding like cotton sheets and avoid heavy blankets. A fan or slightly open window can help air move and keep the room cool. These changes can protect your heart, improve your sleep, and keep you feeling strong. Habit number 3: getting out of bed too quickly. Have you ever stood up fast at night and felt dizzy or like the room was spinning? This is common, but it's more dangerous than you might think. As we age, our blood pressure doesn't adjust as quickly when we move from lying down to standing. This can cause something called postural hypotension, where blood pools in your legs, leaving less for your brain. That moment of dizziness or lightheadedness can lead to a fall. And falls are the top reason seniors end up in the hospital, according to JAMA Internal Medicine. A single fall can cause broken bones, head injuries, or even take away your independence. To avoid this, take your time when you wake up. Sit on the edge of your bed for a moment, wiggle your toes, and breathe deeply to get your blood flowing. Sip some water from a glass by your bedside to help with dehydration. Make sure your path to the bathroom is well lit with night lights and free of clutter. Wear non-slip slippers and hold on to something sturdy like a bedpost as you stand. If you take medicines for blood pressure, talk to your doctor about whether the timing or dose needs adjusting. These simple steps can keep you steady and safe, protecting you from a life-changing fall. Habit number 2, ignoring snoring, breathing pauses, or trouble sleeping. Snoring might seem like just a noisy nuisance, but for older adults, it could be a sign of something serious, like obstructive sleep apnea. This condition happens when your throat muscles relax too much, blocking your airway and stopping your breathing for short moments. Each pause puts stress on your heart and brain, raising your risk of high blood pressure, heart attack, or stroke. The Sleep Heart Health study found that untreated sleep apnea increases the risk of fatal heart attacks by 30% and strokes by up to 60% in seniors. Shockingly, nearly 4 in 10 older adults may have sleep apnea, but 80% don't know it, thinking snoring or waking up often is just part of aging. Poor sleep from apnea or chronic insomnia also hurts your brain, leading to memory problems and faster cognitive decline. Signs to watch for include loud snoring, gasping for air, or feeling tired all day despite sleeping. If you or your loved one notice these, talk to a doctor. Treatments like CPAP machines or lifestyle changes can cut your heart risks by up to 42% and help you feel sharper and stronger. Don't ignore these warning signs, they're your body asking for help. Habit number 1, taking certain medications before bed. Many of us rely on pills to manage health issues, but taking some medications at night can be risky. Sleeping pills or anti-anxiety drugs like diazepam or alprazolam slow your breathing and make you less alert, increasing the risk of falls or breathing problems, especially if you have heart or lung issues. A study in the British Medical Journal found that seniors using these drugs regularly face a higher risk of falls, fractures, and even early death. These medications can also leave you groggy the next day, making accidents more likely. Other drugs like muscle relaxants or some antidepressants can disrupt deep sleep, leading to memory issues over time. Pain relievers like ibuprofen can stress your kidneys or cause bleeding, especially if mixed with other drugs. Blood pressure medications taken at night might lower your blood pressure too much, causing dizziness or fainting. To stay safe, talk to your doctor about when to take your medications and whether there are safer options. Try natural ways to relax, like sipping chamomile tea or doing gentle stretches. Keep track of how you feel and report any dizziness or grogginess to your doctor. By being careful with your medications, you can sleep better and stay safer. As we wrap up, it's clear that small changes to your nighttime routine can make a huge difference in your health and safety. At Senior Care, we're here to help you thrive as you age, and we hope these tips empower you to sleep soundly and wake up strong. Have you noticed any of these habits in your routine, or do you have a tip that's helped you sleep better? Share your thoughts in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Senior Care for more tips to live your best life. Thank you for being part of our community, and here's to healthier, safer nights ahead.